What's up everyone, welcome to the club and thanks for joining me for today's drawing tutorial. In this lesson I'll be showing you step by step on how to draw and color red from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson at the top center of our page and draw the top edge of the head. We're going to start over on the left side, we're going to draw a curve that goes up in the middle and we'll bend that back down on the right. Now from here we're going to draw the inside edge of the eyes. Let's start over on the left side, we're going to bend the eye coming in, round this out, and go out towards the side of the head. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Bring this in and then bending that out towards the same height. Let's go back up to the top and draw the outside edge of the eye. We're going to start from this point, curve this out, come around, and pull that in towards the bottom. Now you want to trace this line along the outside. So we're going to step out, curve this around, just leave an even space gap going all the way out towards the bottom. And we'll do the same thing over on the right. And then we'll fill the outside of the eyes in black. Now from here, let's move to the bottom point of the eyes. We're going to curve the head, coming down, and we'll bend that in towards the neck. And we'll connect the bottom with a slight curve, coming down the middle, and we'll bend that back up. Let's draw the top edge of the shoulders. From the bottom corner of the head, draw a short angled line coming down and out towards the side. And we'll curve the top of the body, coming down, and we'll bend that in towards the hips. Let's draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom. And then we'll work our way down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to bend this out and then come all the way down. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the left side, come down in the middle, and then back up. Now you want to leave a gap in between the feet. We'll do the same thing on the right. Let's connect the outside of the feet with a half circle. So we'll start on the outside, we're going to go up toward the top, and then bring that back down. Now from here we're going to draw the inside edge of the coat. Over on the left side, just underneath the head, curve this down. We're going to bend this out, aiming towards the top curve of the foot. We'll stop right about there. And do the same thing on the right. Coming down, and then aiming towards the top of the foot. From the bottom of the coat, draw a straight angled line going up and out towards the side of the leg. Now from here, we're going to line up with the bottom of the hips, move to the center, step down, draw a straight line going across. Let's leave a small gap in the center. Go to the left side. We're going to curve the inside leg going out and bring that down toward the inside of the foot. Let's draw the bottom edge of the pant, starting over on the left, curve this down towards the foot, and then back up. Let's go back up and add some detail to the inside of the body. We'll start right in the center, angle the collar coming down and out to the left and right side. From the bottom of the collar, angle this down and in toward the center. And then from this point, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the body. Let's add in the tie, starting with the knot. From the outside of the collar, come down and in. Close off the bottom with a straight line, and then from the bottom corners of the knot, angle this down and out in behind the vest. Let's add the collar of the coat. We're going to start over on the left, angle this down and out, and line this up on the right. Now from the end, come down with an angled line towards the inside of the coat. Let's go halfway along this line, and it goes up and out. And it'll come up and in underneath the head. Now let's draw on the arms. We're going to start from these 2 points, bend the arm going out and then down towards the thumb. Now I'm going to curve the sleeve, going out and then up towards the side. Let's connect the shoulder to the outside of the sleeve with a curve, going out, and then we'll bring that down. Let's add a couple lines across the sleeve. We're going to step up, just follow that same curve, leave a gap, draw that again. And now we're going to tuck the hands in underneath the sleeve. Let's start from this point, come down, and then bend that out. Let's bend the hand, going down and in with a short curve. Round up the hand, and we go out and up underneath the sleeve, leaving a little overlap on the outside. Once we complete our drawing, we're going to go in with a red marker and fill the inside of the head. Now we're just working our way around the eyes. We're also going to fill in the shirt collar, going around the tie, and also along the side of the shirt. Let's grab a dark gray and fill in the tie. We'll come down the center of the body. And we'll fill in the legs and the feet with that same color. I'm going to use a light gray and add some shadows across the white areas of the body, starting with the inside of the arms. And we'll just bring this down along the side. And once we add our shadows, we'll be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color red from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.